Alright, yo. I wanna do my analysis and a recap of last week. So let's do that. Let's first go to Notion for previous week. Oops. So here, so previous week was actually previous week was NFP week. It was actually alright trading week. So here are the stats. Got a nice trade on Monday, nice win there. Then I took a loss on Tuesday. Wednesday I took no trades, but we did have high impact news folders, but I didn't see setup. And then I took a loss here, which is on NQ, I see. There, so I took a loss there on Thursday, the day before NFP, and then I took a win on NFP here, and I ended the week with 0.60% win. And now my win rate's at 50%. Out of all the trades I take, so from this month and then a few days from this month as well. So now I'm on the account with, let's see. So now I'm up 1.67% on this account. Target is 6%, so we're like 1/4, so it's pretty good. Oh, 1/3, sorry. So it's looking pretty good. So yeah, drawdown comes up to 148,396 now, but it's just 3% right now because this is the highest I've been, I think. Highest before it is, oh no, it isn't. All right, so I was up 152,896, and we're now up 152,498. So we're still below of what the biggest win was, or biggest account size was, but it's fine. Yeah, it was pretty good. Took some trades. I can go through some of them. I took this trade because I was actually bullish. Tech turtle soup. So don't remember this trade anymore, but we got a nice win out of that. We could have held longer. But yeah, just overall fine trade. Risk reward 1 to 2. Took a loss here. Choppy price action. I already see. Wait. Can't scroll. Alright. Took one trade. And this is for me to learn here. So we had an SMT inside of that BPR. That's actually pretty. I always like to see that, so that's why I marked it out. But took a loss here. Bad trade, I already see. And then yeah, all these other trades, just watch it there. This was also a loss. I was up a bit of profit here. Was targeting a 1 to 2, but I got stopped out there. I wanted to break even at 1 to 2, but we never got that, as you can see. Very close to TP, and then got stopped out there. Took another long. Took a lot of trades here. 4 trades. Stopped out there, so right. And then last one on Friday. Took a loss here on Friday. Took 2 trades. Took a loss here. And here I took a win, so we had SMT. We closed above this inversion on yes. We had a BSC here as well, so I entered on a BSC and target above the equal highs, which was all-time highs here. And then I took it off at all-time highs just as I wanted to there because I didn't want to hold any longer. I think I could have held to like a 1 to 3, and then market just dropped there. That was like somewhere here. Was on yes, yeah, here. So I went long here. This is that inversion. This is that singular BSC here. Oh no, it's here. That BSC there, and then I held. So something around here. And my stop 1 tick below there. And I targeted all-time highs with a 1 to 2. So this is one all-time highs there. 1 to 2 there, and then as you can see, I could have held a bit longer. 1 to 4 actually, and then market just dropped here. But yeah, that was the previous week. And now for this upcoming week, let's do our analysis. It's now Monday. Market is now open, but I'm not trading it because of we have no news today. Not even orange or a medium impact news folder. So tomorrow we do. So tomorrow I will be trading, probably looking at the charts, but it is at 1 p.m. so we gotta watch that, because it's still a day without high impact news, and the best time to trade when there's medium impact news is when it's in the AM session, and this is in PM session, and most of the time I'm not trading PM session when we have no high impact news folders, but still I'll be on charts and I'll be looking at this. Wednesday we have actually CPI and FOMC, so it's a really high impact news day, so this is probably going to be distribution already. So Monday accumulation, Tuesday manipulation already, and then Wednesday maybe wants even to manipulate the Tuesday low/high, take Tuesday out there and then push into the drawn liquidity, and it's probably just continuation, more high impact news folders there. So it's a pretty good week actually, and let's do our analysis actually. Let's remove all drawings on the indices. Let's first go to DXY. Let's see. Alright, so DXY. As you can see, I have two here on DXY. Two from two different brokers, or it's actually this is a trading view chart, and this is actually from Capital.com. It's second biggest one for DXY, and as you can see, I was looking this whole week for these lows to get swept, and we never got that on trading view charts. So, but on this chart we do have this. So I was looking at trading view charts, but I saw on Twitter somewhere that this chart took out that low and the trading view charts didn't. But now I'm still looking at the Capital.com charts. And if we take out this high here, these equal highs here, then I'm actually looking to keep the Capital.com charts and not the trading view charts anymore, because this is actually a significant low there, and trading view charts didn't even take that, so it's actually a pretty important low. But yeah, so now I'm looking at this chart here. So let's do analysis there. So I was looking at these equal lows to get hit. So now we got a big displacement through the upside. It was actually on Friday, and now it's Monday. No high impact news folder, so I'm not expecting for us to push into the Tron liquidity all the way there, which are the equal highs and equal highs up there, which are in a singular SIBI on the 2 month. Let's look at the 1 month. So we had a 1 month SIBI here, and then another SIBI there. So the 2 month, that would be the singular SIBI, and then we have liquidity inside of that singular SIBI. And now the so in my opinion, this is the smart money reversal already, right here. So if you can mark it out with the curves here, so that's curve 1, and then smart money reversal is going to be here, and this is actually a market maker buy model inside of the market maker buy model. So the smart money reversal for these equals get hit, this will be the original consolidation on this time frame, and on the bigger time frame this will be the market original consolidation on the original time frame. So smart money reversal here, and now it's another smart money reversal there to draw into those equal highs. Yeah, it's Monday without news, so I'm not expecting for us to take out all those highs here, which are basically almost like low resistance liquidity. So if you can mark out daily highs here, then the next daily high is going to be here, then another daily high is going to be there, and then I've also marked out the standard deviations from this A to B leg. So we have a A, B, C, D. So this is a B leg standard deviation of the A to B leg, and then we also have a B to C leg standard deviation, and then -1 standard deviation comes in line with these equal highs, and then -1.5 just comes short of these equal highs. So I'm looking at actually this A to B leg, or this B to C leg, as the -1 standard deviation, which is the equal highs, and then also A to B leg standard deviation, which is the buy side liquidity. Just comes in line with what I'm already thinking that where market wants to go to. And then yeah, we have this huge BISI here, which is a singular one on the 12 hour now. Gotta look at this candle in 6 hours, but if we close this candle, not really worried about that, because then we just have a singular daily BISI inside of here. But yeah, I'm expecting for us to just be stuck inside of this range here, and then if you can just mark it out here, Monday is just going to be accumulation. Tuesday is going to be probably manipulation. Maybe it wants to already go higher, but then Wednesday maybe it wants to take out that low again and then go all the way higher, because we have really big high impact news folder. So we actually have CPI and FOMC. But yeah, it could just Tuesday could print the low of the week, and then Wednesday could take out all those highs. But actually, what I want to see more is I want to see Tuesday print a low here, and then Wednesday take it out again, and then actually go, because it's really a lot of really a lot of manipulation on this day, because we actually have CPI at 8:30, and then we have FOMC at 2 p.m. And then a press conference as well at 2:30. So I would be waiting for at least this to get released, and if I see a setup that's formed at like 2:15, everything after 2:15 I won't take it and wait 1 minute after the press conference. But yeah, there's going to be a lot of manipulation here still, but we are going to be distributing that day probably. And so this is basically the weekly bias for DXY, so we could implement this into the indices. So what we want to see is short term, you want to see a retracement lower, and then long term you want to see a retracement higher, and then long term I'm meaning this week. So short term for like the first few days going to be lower, and then 3 days or from Wednesday, Thursday, Friday are going to be distribution, and it's going to be higher. So lower and higher then on DXY. So let's look at that on the indices. So let's just start on the daily. We don't really have anything else because we're again at all-time highs. So we have buy side here, we have buy side there. All right, let's look at this leg here. If you have a singular busy, so 12-hour busy there, on the daily singular one here. So we are holding a daily busy here. Let's look at a yes. We have a busy here, but this is balanced because it's fully closed. Singular busy there. Let's see lower time frame. If you have again a singular busy, no. So we have a busy here, we have a busy here. This is a balanced price range, but on the 12 hours it's the same. So just mark this out. It's this. Don't really have to, but we have a singular busy there. Let's remove this. So yeah, short term on DXY, I want to see us go lower. So short term on the indices, I want to see us go higher. So again, all-time highs are going to be the target then again. Let's mark it out here. So we have the all-time highs. There again is a lot of liquidity above there. But yeah, I would just come in line with what I want to see with the DXY as well. So short term for the first few days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we want to push higher. And then longer term, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we want to go lower. So again, DXY, same as DXY. Tuesday could print a high. Wednesday could print distribution or be the distribution to go all the way lower for longer term, because longer term on DXY you want to see way higher. We don't want to see just these highs, but we want to see these highs as well. So that could be the same on the indices. We could use IPTA as well. But yeah, this is Tuesday, but could also be like this. So Tuesday is there, and then Wednesday again it's gonna take out Tuesday's high and then gonna go all the way lower. But yeah, it is coming in line with what we want to see on the indices, or with what we want to see on DXY. So actually, let's look at IPTA here. So it's like the new start of the month. It's the 10th right now, but we could use IPTA for this. So let's go where we to the first day of the month here. So that's the 3rd of June. So let's hold this here. Let's go back 20 bars, and then 20 bars back is actually here on this low here, but I'm just gonna mark it out as this low here. So this is gonna be my IPTA 20. So we have IPTA here, IPTA 20, and then what else? Let's go back again. Go back 40 bars, 40 day look back period, and then we have IP to 40. And then we could look back even more. And then we look back 60 bars. And then as you can see, we have no low inside that 60 bar range there. So IP to 60 is just the same as IP to 40. Let's do the same on ES. So here, 20 bars. Again, it's going to be that low there. Maybe I can. So IP to 20 there. And then again, first of the month, 40 bars, IP to 40. It's going to be this low. And then again, probably 40, IP to 60 back. 60 look back period. It's still inside of that range, so we only have IP to 20 and IP to 40 here. So that's actually going to be my draw on liquidity. You could mark it out on DXY as well. So it's going to be here. 20 day. So 20 day IP to look back period is going to be this high because it's the highest high inside of that look back period. So you could mark that out as this. IP to 20 there, and 40 day look back period is going to be these equal highs. So actually IP to 40 is up here, and then you could look back even more, and then 60 bars, and then we don't have any highs here. We do have this low here, of course, but it's not the way that I'm looking at this. We're in the side of a market make buy model, so it wouldn't make sense to mark this side as IP to 60. If you mark IP to 20, IP to 30 there, and then you mark out IP to 60 here, then you have no bias and you have no confidence with what you're really doing. So IP to 20 here, IP to 40 here. Maybe I can mark it out more clean. Yeah, it looks cleaner like this actually. And then top there. Yeah, it looks cleaner. So we have IP to 20, IP to 40, and then we have these equalize above here, which is actually original consolidation, and this is also the original consolidation. Inside of that shorter term time frame. So we took a buy side there, and we really have nothing else actually. Yeah, that's basically it for analysis. This upcoming week, I will be trading probably tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Maybe I'll update inside of this week, but probably it's going to be next weekend. But this is basically my bias for this upcoming week, and yeah, that's it. So yeah.